Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I want to talk to you about nutrients that make your muscles grow and what can slow down the process. You need proteins to build muscles. Basically, the idea is that if you eat animal muscles, which is protein, you will build muscles. Your body will break down the animal muscles into amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, which in turn will build your muscles. But it is a little bit more complicated than that. It takes certain acids and enzymes to break down the food. These enzymes are found in liver, pancreas, intestines, and other organs. This process of building up amino acids into muscles requires certain nutrients. If your body is missing these nutrients, you won't really be able to build muscles the way you can with their presence. You can eat all the protein, but if you're missing these nutrients, your body would not be able to convert the amino acids into muscles. These nutrients are also needed for the enzymes to exist and thrive in the body. So you really want to pay attention. That's why you need to know about these nutrients and make sure you have enough to help you increase your muscle mass. The most important nutrients for this process are trace minerals and potassium. We need close to 4,700 milligram of potassium daily to fulfill all of our body's needs. I will talk about how you can fulfill this daily requirement in a few minutes. Trace minerals are minerals that are in the soil. If the soil is depleted and these trace minerals are missing, then the enzymes in our bodies won't work properly. Along with that, you need vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and vitamin C. Now, I'm going to sidetrack a little bit and talk about diabetics for a minute. It's common for diabetics to have muscle weakness, loss of collagen, weak joint tissues, and often muscle loss. The reason why it happens is because of insulin resistance. When there is way too much sugar in the diet, the cells block out the absorption of insulin. At the same time, the cells block the absorption of amino acids as well, which is why diabetics face these muscle loss issues. Stress is another reason why people would not develop muscles. Stress produces a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is destructive for the muscles. It actually breaks down the muscle fiber and, believe it or not, converts the broken down amino acids to sugar in the body. It is called glyconeogenesis. So to recap, what could be causing loss of protein and muscle in your body: high stress levels, lack of nutrients, and high levels of insulin resistance. So what can you do about it? First and foremost, have only 2 to 3 meals a day. Have a very structured, routine diet style. Don't have any snacks during the day. Don't have any sugary drinks, even if they're supposedly healthy, like Gatorade and other sport drinks. Protein powders are not a good idea, as they increase insulin resistance in the body. Instead, what you want to do is you want to have moderate amount of protein, no more than 6 ounces a day. You don't want to overdo it. Consume foods which are low on glycemic index, have higher fat content in diet as opposed to higher carb or grain content. You want to do high intensity interval workouts because it spikes growth hormones and it's really effective in building up muscles. Good amount of sleep is very important for muscle development and proper functioning of your body in general. I mentioned earlier potassium as being very important for the production of enzymes which promote muscle growth. You need close to 4,700 milligram of potassium daily. That's about 2 large bowls of salad, green salad in particular. Other foods which are rich in potassium are beans, bananas, oranges, grapefruits, cantaloupe, dried fruit like prunes, raisins, and dates. Mushroom, pumpkin, cooked broccoli, and cooked spinach are also good sources of potassium. For trace minerals, I would highly recommend you take a good multivitamin, multimineral supplement which contains those trace minerals. Otherwise, it's almost impossible for you to get them through your diet in modern world. I'm being very realistic here. If you add these foods and you add a good multivitamin supplement to your diet, there's no reason why you shouldn't get your daily nutrient needs met. Let me know how these recommendations worked for you. Make sure to like the video, make sure to share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.